Hi, I'm Dr. Sundar. I'm your NLP coach, counselor, and trainer consultant from India. You can see my work of last 2 decades helping the youth of the society and around 350 YouTube videos and around 100 daily podcasts, which no other NLP trainer on this planet, an Indian trainer, has attempted. You can go and see my work in 4 languages in English, Hindi, Telugu, and Tamil. NLP consultancy assignments. What NLP consultancy assignment we have carried out? We have a team of experts, all on NLP, and we have carried out a lot of corporate assignments, including performance of the employees in subordinate development. You might be knowing basically there is a what actually is consultancy. If you think consultancy is a simple word, nothing but giving an advice, but there is a technical difference between consultancy and advice. Consultancy is mostly a small term work. Advisory role is mostly a sort of a long term role. One of the advisory roles which we did for one of the organizations in the Indian state of the states of Chennai is we did the whole evaluation of the organization for improving the culture. We have developed a mentoring system. And we worked for them in the long term, and we have helped them to how to identify the mentor and mentee and how to match them using NLP tools, because every mentor cannot go with every mentee. Anybody cannot become a mentor for anybody. We use a lot of DISC analysis, the NLP analysis, the Enneagram analysis, and we have filtered out. Because earlier this organization had a trouble that they do not know what was mentoring. And the senior officer of the organization was called a mentor. The vertical head was called a mentor, and this who were the young trainees were asked to report to them. He started firing them right and left. That was mentoring. Mentoring is a traditional concept, or I would say their own concept of mentoring. They found out a lot of people leaving the organization, and that is how the intervention started. And mentoring is nothing but hand holding. It is hand holding. And we also trained the mentors, we also trained the mentees, we also made a matching of the new entrant with the existing mentors. It was a mostly an advisory role we carried out. And we also do many interventions like HR climate. We help them to improve the HR climate. We also help them improve the performance of the organization. And such consultancies, a few people are doing in around Chennai, and our organization is one among them. You can contact in case you need any such help in the area of training and development or in the HR area. Dr. P.T. Sundaram, an NLP experience. I am a retired the HR head of Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, a public sector employee where I implemented all the systems. And that is the reason this is a hand in glove activity for me. And you can contact me on my email drsuntrg@gmail.com. D for Delhi, or for railway, S for summer, U for umbrella, N for Nagpur, T for Tirupati, R for railway, and G for Gwalior @gmail.com. And my number is 964 00 00054. Thank you very much. You can contact me.